Hello friends, in this video I will tell you the features of a HYCHIKA cordless hammer drill driver. Introducing the HYCHIKA 20D cordless hammer drill driver, your ultimate partner for tackling any DIY or professional project. With power, precision, and portability, this tool is built to get the job done right. This drill has 2 speed buttons which you can set according to your preference. This drill is as durable as it is portable. From home projects to professional construction sites, the HYCHIKA cordless hammer drill is ready for any challenge. With a 21+3 clutch setting, you can precisely control the torque for every task. Whether you're driving screws, drilling pilot holes, or hammering into tough materials, this drill adapts to your needs effortlessly. This drill is a game changer for my home projects. It's powerful, easy to use, and the battery lasts a long time. Ready to upgrade your toolkit? The HYCHIKA 20D cordless hammer drill driver combines power, precision, and convenience in one compact package. Click the link in the description to order yours today and start drilling smarter. Visit our website for more information. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews, tips, and tricks. See you next time.